And today we're going to be making a sweet treat from the coconut. Now the coconut is really versatile. If you were to shake it like this, I hope you can hear it, it has water on the inside, and coconut water is so refreshing. You can just drink it as it is. It tastes really good, and it is also very nutritious, filled with lots of vitamins that really improve your health. Now if you use the coconut when it is green, the inside is soft, and we call it coconut jelly. It is a favorite among children, just to get the green coconut to get the jelly from the inside. But you can also use the coconut when it is hard, like this one. On the inside, what was formerly the coconut jelly becomes hard coconut. And that is the most versatile part about the coconut, because you can use it to make so many dishes. Today, we're going to be making coconut sugar cakes from the dried coconut. So, let's go over the ingredients. We have 2 cups of grated coconut. Now, if you don't have coconut readily available where you are, you can go to the frozen section in your supermarket where you can find frozen grated coconut. We're going to get 2 cups. We have 1.5 cups of sugar. Now, I'm using brown sugar, but if you have white sugar, you may use that as well. 1.5 cups of sugar. We have about 1/4 cup of ginger. We have 2 dried bay leaves and 1.5 cups of water.
Our first step is to make our syrup. So we'll get the saucepan on, or frying pan, whatever you have, over a high heat. We're going to add our water. Next, we're going to add our bay leaves. I'm going to drop them in. We'll also add our ginger at this stage, and then we're going to add our sugar. We'll allow the sugar to completely dissolve by just stirring it. Remember, it's over a high heat, so we'll continue to stir it until it dissolves and the syrup becomes nice and thick.
Our sugar has completely dissolved, and just look at our syrup. It's nice and thick. So we're going to remove our bay leaves and the ginger, and then we're going to add our coconut. We don't want the bay leaves and the ginger mixed in with our amazing sugar cake. So once we would have extracted as much flavor as we could from the bay leaves and the sugar, and the ginger, we're going to get ready to add our coconut. You can just smell the flavor from the ginger. We're going to add the coconut, and then we're going to just mix it so everything is totally combined, infused, all the flavor is in. So we're going to allow this to boil and then simmer for about 5 or so minutes. Our coconut sugar cake is almost done. Once you see it pulling away from the sides of the pan like this, that means it's almost done. So another 2 or 3 minutes. We have it on a low heat. We're going to turn it off completely. Then we're going to place it on parchment paper or on a baking tin and allow it to set. Now, if you want to be creative, it is at this stage that you can add some food coloring. You can add some red coloring and get red sugar cakes, add blue, whatever color. You can just add it at this stage to be creative, to make your lovely sugar cakes. So we will allow this to another minute or so, and then we'll be done. Our sugar cakes are done. We will have taken it off of the stove. So the only thing left to do is to form the little cake. So I'll take a large spoon and I'll put a heap of it onto the parchment paper. And we'll allow it to set that way for about 10 to 15 minutes. So once I've allowed them to set, it doesn't have to be any uniform shape, just random shaped on the parchment paper. And when it's done, I'll come back and I'll taste this amazing sweet treat made from the coconut. About 20 minutes and our sugar cakes are done. I'm gonna taste it now. Look for a nice small one, this one here in the corner. It's nice and hard. the sugar, you know, would have caused it to gel together with the coconut, making it nice and hard. I'm just gonna break it off to taste it. Coconut sugar cakes, a treat for children and all Caribbean people. It's so good. Now, if you're diabetic, I do not recommend you eating sugar cakes, or if you have to, 1 a month. Coconut sugar cakes, now you need to try it.